Hey everyone, welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today is a twofer. The Kingston Mule and Dark N Stormy. Key ingredients you'll need are a nice Jamaican rum, Goslings Black blended, ginger beer, lime, and a good time. First, let's make a Dark N Stormy. It's a 2-ingredient cocktail, making it more of a mixed drink, but you'll need Goslings Black Rum, ginger beer, I chose Fever Tree, and a dried lime whale for aesthetics. Fun fact, it's only a Dark N Stormy if it's made with Goslings Black Rum, otherwise it's just a good time. Start by grabbing a double rocks glass, fill with ice, and then fill about 3/4 to 4/5 full of ginger beer. Enough that you can comfortably pour your rum in without spilling it everywhere. Pour or float 1.5 to 2 ounces of Goslings Black Rum on top. Garnish, admire, and then get ready for drink number 2. Clean off that bar mat. Grab your Jamaican rum. I opted for the 12-year, but standard blend works just fine. Ginger beer, and a small lime or a ½ ounce worth of lime juice. Grab another clean rocks glass. Fill with ice, and then slice your lime. I opted for a small lime for aesthetics, but feel free to measure first for quality control. Juice them straight into the glass. Clean up, grab your jigger, and fill with 1.5 ounces of Appleton. Splash a little, as is tradition. Then pour 4 ounces of ginger beer or eyeball the 4/5 full mark. Garnish with a dried lime wheel and enjoy.